Okay, in this example, I'm going to take you from a number that's in base 10 to a different number base. This is usually a little bit harder for students. So going from a different base to base 10, we multiplied and we added. Here we're going to be working backwards. We're going to end up dividing and subtracting. So again, I'm going to start out with my blanks for base 5, but I'm going to try to get them into this form. And I'm going to have 5 to the 0. I know that's 1. 5 to the 1, that's 5. 5 squareds, which is 25, 5 cubes, which is 125. If I put 5 to the fourth, that's 625s. And notice there are no 625s in our base 10 number, 291. So 125 is the top I need to go. So I'm going to start here and say in the number 291, how many 125s go into that number? So it's like you're dividing. There are two 125s in the number 291. So just kind of like we were doing, we would divide and we'd subtract. There are 41 left over. So we're looking for that remainder 41. How many 25s go into that 41? Well, it goes in one time, so there's one there. And if we multiply that out, there are 16 left over. And then I'm looking at the next stage, which is just 5 to the first, or 5. How many fives go into that number of 16? Well, there are three of them. So I put 3 here. 3 fives is 15. And there is one left over. So the last thing is how many ones go into 1? There's just 1. Our base 5 number for 291 should be 2131. And we're probably going to write that as 2131 base 5.